A very good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Rituraj Prasad of class 10 and we have gathered here for a morning virtual assembly. So everyone join your hands and close your eyes. Let's begin our morning prayer, that is Labbe Atiya Dua. And for this I want to call upon Ms. Kakesha Fatima of class 10th.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. I am Kahkasha Fatima from class 10th and today I am here for singing Olappayati. Okay. पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदा या मेरी, तब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी। हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की ज़ीनत, हो मेरे दम से यूं ही मेरे वतन की ज़ीनत, जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की ज़ीनत, जिस तरह फूल से होती है चमन की ज़ीनत, जिंदगी हो मेरे परवान की सूरत या रब, जिंदगी हो मेरे परवान की सूरत या रब, इल्म की शम्मत हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब, इल्म की शम्मत हो मुझको मोहब्बत या रब, हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना, हो मेरा काम गरीबों की हिमायत करना, दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना, दर्दमंदों से ज़ईफ़ों से मोहब्बत करना, मेरे अल्लाह मेरे अल्लाह बुराई से बचाना मुझको, मेरे अल्लाह नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको मेरे अल्लाह हो, बुराई से बचाना मुझको। नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको मेरे अल्लाह हो, बुराई से बचाना मुझको। नेक जो राह हो उस राह पे चलाना मुझको। Thank you, Anjay.
Rituraj, you are not audible. Though you are on mute, you are not audible.
Thank you, Mr. Kesha. Now I would like to call upon Master Arish Khan Warsi of second day to deliver the thought of the day.
Or unmute.
Good morning, Anjay sir. My name is Arish Khan Warsi from the second day.
Beta, please ask Aija to quit. Two devices we have kept together. Tell Aija to mute completely. Cut.
Instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Thank you, Anjay.
Rituraj, kindly repeat.
Today's thought of the day is instead of worrying about what you cannot control, shift your energy to what you can create. Now I would like to call upon Miss Vaishnavi Singh to deliver Hindi poem that is Great Tum Bade.
Good morning and Jai Hind everybody. My name is Vaishnavi Singh from class 4th, roll number 28, section A. धीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो, हाथ में सजा रहे बाल दल सजा रहे, ध्वज कभी झुके नहीं, दल कभी रुके नहीं भी। तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो, मेघ गरज सामने पहाड़ हो, सिंह की दहाड़ हो, तुम नहीं डरते नहीं, तुम नहीं डरते भाई। वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो, मेघ गरजते रहे, मेघ गरज उठे, वीर तुम बड़े चलो, धीर तुम बड़े चलो। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद एवरीवन।
Thank you, Miss Vaishnavi. Now I would like to call upon Miss Rosie and Miss Francis Tripathi, both of class 8, to sing a national anthem.
Sorry. Sorry, Rituraj. School anthem.
Yes, school anthem.
Kindly unmute. Yeah.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. This is Rosie from class 7th.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. This is Shreyanshi Tripathi from class 7th and today we both are here for school anthem, and that is We Are Children of Sunbeam. We are the children of Sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. We are the children of Sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. Years and miles will take us away to find our fortunes one fine day, but in our hearts we'll never forget the sunbeam of our childhood days. We are the children of Sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. We love to honor our teachers, we sacrifice for our friends, we labor and fight for the glory till our life finally ends. We love to honor our teachers, we sacrifice for our friends, we labor and fight for the glory till our life finally ends. We are the children of Sunbeam, over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. We have the beauty of the Taj Mahal and strength of the Himalaya peaks. We have the kindness of Buddha and virtues of Tulsi Kabir. We have the beauty of the Taj Mahal and strength of the Himalaya peaks. We have the kindness of Buddha and virtues of Tulsi Kabir. We are the children of Sunbeam. Over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. We work hard to make a bright future and do the best in every attempt. We promise to love our country and stand for true till the end. We work hard to make a bright future and do the best in every attempt. We promise to love our country and stand for true till the end. We are the children of Sunbeam. Over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. We are the children of Sunbeam. Over the whole world we shine, shining stars of our country on stormy seas, darkest nights. On stormy seas, darkest nights. On stormy seas, darkest nights. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, Miss Rosie and Miss Rancy. Now, I would like to call upon Astha Singh of class 7th A to deliver news headlines.
Good morning and Jai Hind one and all. I am Master Singh from class 7th. I am here to deliver a news headlines. First, Moharram Posians not allowed owning to COVID clubs, UP Police. Second, Tokyo Olympics. India came up with a dominant performance. Great Britain 3-1 in the 3-1 in men's hockey quarter final on Sunday. Bhubaneswar becomes first city in India to vaccination 100% of its population against COVID. PV Sindhu has become the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals. Athletics. Indians Due Chand Falls of qualifies for women's 200-meter semi-finals after finishing 7th in her sport. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Astha, she is Duti Chand. It's okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Astha. Now, I would like to call upon Miss Jivika Jaiswal of 4th A to deliver Doha.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. My name is Jivika Jaiswal, class 4, roll number 6. Today is my I deliver in a Hindi. Doha. गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पाए, पलियारी गुरु अपने गोविंद दियो बताए। अर्थ, गुरु और गोविंद एक साथ खड़े हो तो किसे प्रणाम करना चाहिए, गुरु को अथवा गोविंद को। ऐसी स्थिति में हमें गुरु के श्री चरणों में शीश झुकाना उत्तम है, जिनकी कृपा रूपी प्रसाद से गोविंद का दर्शन करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद।
Thank you, Miss Jivika Jaiswal of class 4. Now, I would like to call upon Papya ma'am to introduce the birthday girl Shivangi Gupta of class 8A. After that, Shivangi Gupta will introduce herself.
Very good morning and Jai Hind. Shivangi, today is your birthday. I wish you a very happy birthday. A student like you make me proud to be your teacher. There are no limits for your life, dear. You will become whatever you wish to become. Once again, very happy birthday and many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you.
Shivangi.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to call Shivangi to introduce herself.
Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. My name is Shivang Gupta. I study in class 8. I am 8 years old.
How
I
many?
am 14.
14 years. Please clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And here goes the celebration.
Happy birthday to you, sha la 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 la. Happy birthday to you, sha la 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 la. Happy birthday to you, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday. May God bless you, sha la 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 la. May God bless you, sha la 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 la. May God bless you, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday. Cakes and chocolates, sha la 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 la. Cakes and chocolates, sha la 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 la. Cakes and chocolates, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday. Gift and warm hugs, sha la 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 la. Gift and warm hugs, sha la 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 la. Gift and warm hugs, sha la 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 la. We wish you a happy birthday.
Thank you. Now I would like to request Principal Sir to address the assembly.
Thank you, Ritiraj, and all the participants. Wonderful assembly. Good morning and Jai Hind. Just simple reminders and few new points are there. Yesterday, we gave Star Child certificates to the winners for the month of July, and few classes we could not send the certificates because from last 1 month I am asking your photo in school uniform. So this is last time I am giving you chance. Those who did not get certificate, by today evening, if you give me the photo in school uniform, proper school uniform, then you will be getting the certificate. And hereafter, next, whosoever, if you are unable to give me your photos in advance, if it is not on the app and you are about to get a certificate will not be issued. Minded. Congratulations to all those who got the certificate and those who did not get also. They are the star child, so it's okay. Congratulations. Is for paying school fee offline, you can come to school office between 8:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. on all working days. And you can pay using our school app also 24/7. Only 2% extra they will charge, but you can use whatsoever by using our school app. Otherwise, if you want to pay online and you want to save your 2%, you can transfer the amount in our school bank's account, which is account number is 502-004-3649589 and IFSC code for the same is STFC 0004265. You can transfer on that and you can send a screenshot as it was done yesterday by the host of today who is doing it's okay. Fair copy are still with me. Kindly collect it tomorrow between 12 noon and 1:30 p.m. And next copy checking date we have decided 16th August 2021 Monday. If school opens before that, then there is no such 16th August date. You will be coming to school and we will be checking. If school is still continuing online, then 16th August is the next date on which you have to bring the fair copy notebook, etc. for checking. Okay, I hope before that almost up to class 9 all the UT will be over. Class 3rd to class 9. For second it will continue with September month also. And this month and hereafter always your UT will be held at 8:05 a.m. Instead of afternoon, it will be in the morning hours because attendance is falling on the UT state. So you first give your UT, then you attend your classes. and UT will be held on Zoom platform. It will be held on the Zoom platform. Objectives, you may get the link directly on WhatsApp group or may not get, but for subjective paper, you are bound to join the Zoom. Moreover, every time I'm giving advance notice, read the notices carefully. Instructions are there. And this month, many activities are there. Nursery to class 2nd, mandatory, they must make sure that they have green cloth. And you are knowing that we are celebrating this 7th celebration of whole building, whole school. So all the students arrange your green clothings. Your green cloth should be there with you. Soon we'll have 7th celebration. And already I have said this one. Next, okay, already said this also, that the school uniform photo should be there on the app. Make sure it is there. Otherwise, you send the same on my number 8545824479. Okay, thank you. Jai Hind. Over to Rituraj.
Thank you, sir. Now everyone stand up for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. Thank you and Jai Hind everyone. Have a good day and all the best for today's safety of class 10 students.